Finally, Jacinta Ngobese and her crew decided to do the right thing, calling police officials to help them get rid of illegal immigrants and also, most importantly, get rid of drug dealers, because they actually went to a building and surrounded the whole building, making sure that those guys, they don't come out, they don't run away, and just let police enforcement go inside the building and do the raid. And they came out with these people in handcuffs. Everyone was celebrating on the street, and this is what I've been complaining about. You cannot go on the street and just do vigilantism without any police enforcement. You're just doing it by yourself, which means you'll resort to violence because you're not a police officer. You don't know what you're doing, to be exact. You'll also make sure that people don't feel safe at that moment. You'll just do whatever you want because obviously you don't have training. So now that they have resorted to this, now they're getting results. People are actually getting arrested. Here's a video. Obviously, there's Xolani Khumalo, who is the #1 person who busts drugs in South Africa. He had a show. This happened in KZN, KwaZulu-Natal, Durban. So yeah, the whole thing was like a real celebration. ENCA, all the news, SABC News was also there. Jacinta Ngobese was getting all sorts of interviews, which is like a good thing. This is quite positive because, yeah, man, like you can't just go in the street and do vigilantism, man. Like even the residents of Tembisa, they were going and checking shops if those shop owners are actually selling the right goods. But their complaint is very different from what Jacinta Ngobese and her crew have been complaining about. They are not really concerned about illegality. They are not checking for illegal immigrants in Tembisa. They are complaining that the shop owners, the spaza shop owners, which is mostly Pakistan, Somali, Bangladesh shop owners, they are selling illicit goods. The goods have expired. They are saying some of them are fake. So they closed down the shops over there. So this is kind of nationwide at this point. So you just have to do it the legal way. And also in Alex, the police there, they are saying that they will start doing door to door to check if everyone is legal or illegal. And that's what Abu Jacinta Ngobese should be doing as well. If they want to root out illegal immigrants, do door to